Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Designs by Stephanie's team. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that. Don't forget to click that all button on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I am doing another studio vlog. I started working and I remembered how to use my taping. So I got some I got some vinyl in my silhouette I just printed out. I gotta do a small tote bag. I've done them on here before, but I'm gonna weave that and then the little freebie that I'm giving to them. And then I got some new stickers that I printed out. I made them from the sheet that not the sheet, but from the video I did a few days ago where I did the Merry Christmas. I did it and I put it on a shirt. So the shirts are up in my Etsy shop, but I made some stickers as well. I made some small ones. These are the small ones, and then I made some large ones in case you want to put them on Christmas packages or Christmas cards. You can put them on back of. I send out Christmas cards. A lot of people don't send out Christmas cards, but my family sends out Christmas cards to everybody. So we've always done that. So I have always sent out Christmas cards to close friends and families, and I definitely will be doing it again this year because, well, I'm not going to visit anybody with COVID. So I got this one, the small one. I think the small one has, they're both 5x7 sheets, but this small one has 58 stickers on it. So I usually send out about 50 Christmas cards each year. I usually do about two boxes of 25, sometimes more, just depends. But I have that, and they're all 1/2 inch by inch, so they're 1/2 inch in length, and then width wise they're 1 inch long. So they're perfect size to put and close your envelopes, because I don't lick my envelopes. I just close them with stickers. And then I have these larger ones like you can put on your actual gifts, and these are, you get 12 of these large ones, and then because I had some extra space, I just put on the side some of the small ones, which are the same size. Oops, I dropped them. Which are the same size as these little small ones on here. They're 1/2 inch by inch wide. So if you want some, I'm going to put these up on my shop. You can check these out. So by the time this video goes out, they should be up there on the shop for you guys. If you are wanting some, they're perfect for that. Usually, my stuff says usually 1 to 3 days or 3 to 5 days processing, but generally I send stuff out the very next day unless I have a back order or it's over the weekend. Some weekends I work, some weekends I don't, because I'm tired. Got multiple businesses going on, day job and businesses and real estate. I'm just can't do it all. So anywho, that's that. I'm going to go ahead and do the tote, just that one tote, and I still have some t-shirts to make that I have not made yet. I made the logo for them. Well, I made the logo for one of them, and then Mac did an update and everything I opened was blank. So I was like, well, I'll give it a few more days, let everything catch itself up. And I think they did another update and it corrected it, because I opened this one and I could see it, but I haven't checked anymore. So yeah, that's that. And Silhouette, oops, trying to touch my eye and touch my eyeglasses. Silhouette, I think, does their own updates on the side. So, but when Mac does an update, any software that you use should do some type of update too, generally, I guess. But I didn't have that, so I'll check it and see. But, and I also have to go make a video for my other channel, which I'm going to probably do that in between of coming back, because I'm going to lose daylight here in about an hour, and I prefer to do the videos while it's still daylight. So, anyway. Stay tuned for that. Okay, I took my package to the post office and what did I do? Oh, I made another video for, it's already up so you can check that out, the one for this one. And I am about to, what did I do with them? I need to clean my desk off for that. I'm about to take my photos for these, like I told you guys, because I haven't put those up yet. So I'm going to take my photos and then I'm going to list those on Etsy. I'm not going to show that. I'll show you taking my photos. I did a whole video on it. I think a half a video or something, but gotta do that. And then I got, what's on my list? Purple work shirt. I'm sleepy. I'm always sleepy. I got no energy. And I got a couple of shirts to make. And I need to do some new designs. I need to try to start putting some designs up every day. I need to make my banner for, not banner, but my Black Friday posting. Because I'm going to do a sale for Black Friday. So I need to do that. I've downloaded from Canva the thing. So maybe I'll show you guys how I make my my sales banner. Well, not banner, but what do you call it? It's going to be on, I'm putting it on Instagram and Facebook, my thing for my sale, because I think I'm going to do a Facebook ad for Black Friday so I can send that out for my Etsy shop. So I think I'm going to do that. Or I might do it on Etsy. I haven't decided if I'm going to do the ad on Etsy or if I'm going to do it on Facebook. But I'm going to do that today because Black Friday is almost here. This next week is Thanksgiving and that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else. I finished that order. I haven't gotten any more orders today as of yet. So hopefully, I think everybody's waiting on Black Friday and see what kind of sales they're going to get and the prices for things and do all that shopping on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So my sale is going to be from Black Friday through Cyber Monday as well. I might do a different one on Saturday, Cyber Monday. Haven't decided. Comment below and let me know what you guys are doing. If you have a Etsy shop or a shop on some other platform, what you're actually going to do for that if you're doing sales for that. I think I'm going to do 10% off for a certain dollar amount, 15, and then 20% if you spend over a certain dollar amount. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I haven't decided if I'm going to do everything in my shop or just specific items that's in my shop. But I'm going to try to add a few more items before Black Friday get here. Because, you know, it's a week away. It's next week. It's Thanksgiving. So I want to get as much stuff up in my shop as I can. Some more stickers. And I still haven't put my Christmas tags. So I need to take those pictures as well and put those up. I have wrapped the gifts to put them on, but I haven't taken the pictures yet. Maybe I'll show that too. I don't know. Or maybe in another vlog. I don't know. Because I'm just doing this one day at a time. But I have the weekend. I have a little more time on the weekend so I can do more then as opposed to during the week. Because I, have to work, have another job. So, and then trying to do Etsy and videos every day. I just do not have enough time in the day. That's why I'm always sleepy, because I'm trying to do too much. Doing videos every day is killing me. And then I'm thinking, should I do videos every day on my other channel as well? And I'm like, no, you'll have to pick a channel. This channel or that channel. So I may switch to doing videos every day on that channel for December and just do this channel whenever, because I've done it for a month now and it hasn't made a difference as far as my views or anything. And that channel has way more, I have way more subscribers on that channel and I get way more views on that channel. So it's probably more beneficial to me to do videos every day on that channel. And this link below if you want to look at it. Stephanie's Journey. I do more so just vegan or healthy food And I do hauls for Misfits and Grove or grocery store hauls. And I'm going to start doing Clean With Me. So that's pretty much it. So anyway, let me take my photos and do my listing and put that up. And then I'll be back. Okay, I added my stickers to my store. I'll show you guys that. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see them where I added them. And that's pretty much it. I have not made my shirts, but I'm not gonna make them today. I'll make them tomorrow. And yeah, so that is it for my studio vlog today. Not much in it because I had to make 2 other videos in the middle of making this one. So, but, you know, day in the life of Etsy shop owner. So, check out my new items I added to my shop. I added a t-shirt and I added the stickers. The shirt is like the stickers, just the same logo that I made for the shirt I made into the stickers. And just pack that order and that's it. I'm going to try to finish straightening up my office. Maybe I can do a office tour soon. I said this weekend, but I don't know if it's going to be done by then. Because I just have been having to do so much other stuff. But yeah. Anyway. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave any comments you have in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer them. And yeah, like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you for stopping by my channel. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video tomorrow. Bye-bye.